Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Jobspresso, a freelancer's gateway to remote work. This video explores the Jobspresso Freelancer platform, a valuable resource for professionals seeking remote work opportunities. Jobspresso distinguishes itself as a remote job board specifically designed for individuals looking for location-independent roles. Its focus on high-quality remote positions makes it particularly appealing to freelancers specializing in tech, marketing, customer service, and content creation. The platform is recognized for its curated job listings, ensuring that users encounter legitimate and relevant opportunities, avoiding the clutter often found on other job boards. Employers using Jobspresso represent a diverse range, from dynamic startups to well-established companies, with a shared emphasis on remote-first cultures. This makes the platform an excellent choice for freelancers prioritizing flexibility and work-life balance. Navigating Jobspresso is incredibly user-friendly thanks to its clean and intuitive interface. Users can easily browse job categories like tech, marketing, writing, and more. The platform's robust search functionality allows filtering by keywords, employment type, full-time, part-time, or freelance, and even desired remote locations. This streamlines the job search process, empowering freelancers to quickly identify opportunities aligned with their specific skills and preferences. Jobspresso provides comprehensive details within each job posting, typically including salary ranges, specific work requirements, and valuable company information. This transparency saves freelancers significant time and effort during the application process. The platform facilitates profile creation and direct resume uploads, allowing potential employers to discover talented individuals efficiently. Furthermore, freelancers can customize email alerts for specific job categories, ensuring they stay informed about new opportunities. While browsing Jobspresso is free, creating a profile enhances visibility and increases the likelihood of securing projects or roles. By showcasing skills and experience, freelancers can stand out from the competition and attract the attention of potential employers. In conclusion, Jobspresso stands out as a top-tier platform for freelancers seeking reliable, well-paying remote opportunities within professional industries. Its curated job board, user-friendly interface, global reach, and commitment to remote work make it an invaluable resource for professionals looking to work from anywhere. Use the links in the description to explore Jobspresso and take the first step toward advancing your freelance career.